One of my pals on his van is in for a quick repair. I say quick, the arch is rotten there, as you can see, so that's to be fixed. It's not got to be neat and tidy, just got to be MOT worthy. Right, there's that area slightly cleaned up. The plan is I'm going to make a patch, just enough to come over, cover this rotten bit with I'll put a lip on it so I could spot weld it there, and that'll attach it to the sill, so that'll give it strength. And then on this side I'm basically just going to put a patch round and onto the bottom and weld it along there, and that'll do for the MOT. Right, I've got my bit of sheet metal laid out, got my template made, template transferred to there, put a little tab on it, going to be a couple of spot welds there. Right, I'll go ahead and cut that out now. Right, there's my first wee patch made, if you like. That's going to fit in there, like that. I'll weld it along this top edge, and I'll weld it down there, and I'll spot weld it on the two spot welds there, and then that should solidify that bit up, and then I'll make a patch for this bit. Right, there's that patch there, ready to be welded in. So that's what I'm going to do, go ahead and weld that now. Right, there's that first patch welded in then, a couple of wee spot welds there, and right along those edges there. If I grab it or push it, it's solid now, so that's the job well done. This panel, like I say, I'm just kind of going to go across. We'll maybe go take it higher, because feeling that is really just paper thin up until about this point. It gets a bit more strength in it, so I'll probably take it up to here, and then just a patch down there, and just catching on the underside here. So I'm going to go ahead and make a template for that. Right, I've made a cardboard template. That's basically going to go there, and then, well, it's a bit high, go there, and then fold round the bottom, and I'll just weld it all the way around. I'll cut this rot out of here first though. Right, there is that area all cut and cleaned up. There is the cardboard template transferred to sheet metal. I'll go ahead and cut that out, you can't see very well on camera. There I've got the template cut out and cleaned up. Put some spot welds in the bottom just to hold it while I seam weld it. The rest of it I'll just seam weld all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and stick that on the van now. I've got to put a bit of a curve on this bottom edge, so I'm just going to do it on the farmer's gate. Something like that. Right, here I've got it clamped on. My plan is to weld it up this edge and along this edge. Can't really clamp it here, so it'll just be a case of like holding it in the screwdriver as I go. And then once that's done and strong, I'll give it an extra wee bash round there with the hammer to follow the shape of the bottom a wee bit more. Then I'll do the underside there. Right, there it is, welded in. side, I'll need to put the light on again. Right, so I'm going to give that a wee grind and try and smooth it off a little bit. Nothing too much though. Right, I've got that weld cleaned up to a point I'm happy enough with it. Didn't bother on the underside because that's not seen ever. So I'm just going to put a wee smidgen of catalloy on that just now. There's some catalloy on just now. Just have to sand that back once it's hard. Right, I've given the catalloy a quick sand now and it's pretty smooth enough for a wee van anyway, so I'm happy with that. There, I've put a wee coat of primer on there now, and then I'll hit it with some white. There it is with the white paint on it. As you can see, there's some runs, but I'm not fussy about that. I just wanted to make sure I had a decent amount of paint on it. It's going to be getting some under seal on there anyway. I've put a clear coat on it as well. I'm going to call that finished. We're going to leave the gazebo up for just now because it's a typical Scottish day and it's pissing down. So, going to end the video there. Thanks for watching.